Vocabulary boost. Learning a new word every day can transform your English. Not only does it help you express yourself more clearly, but it also builds confidence in conversation, reading, and writing. Try keeping a vocabulary journal, diary, or using new words in sentences daily. It's a fun way to make them stick. A grammar tip. Grammar might seem tricky, but mastering it is like building a strong foundation for your English. Small rules like correct verb tenses, prepositions, and sentence structure can make a huge difference in how natural your English sounds. Consistency is key. Practice little by little, and you'll notice improvements fast. Punctuation practice. Punctuation is more than just speaking clearly. It's about being understood and feeling confident in English conversation. Listen carefully, repeat phrases, and record yourself to track progress. Even 10 minutes a day can make your English sound more natural over time. Remember, mistakes are just part of learning. Reading habits. Reading in English is one of the fastest ways to improve vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Start with small books, articles, or stories you enjoy, and gradually challenge yourself. Even 10-15 minutes a day makes a huge difference in your fluency and understanding over time. Listening practice. Listening is a skill that improves naturally when practiced every day. Try listening to podcasts, songs, news, or movies in English and pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and expressions. The more you listen, the faster you understand spoken English and respond naturally in conversations. Confidence in speaking. Speaking English can be scary at first, but the key is practice and encourage. Don't fear mistakes. They are proof that you are learning. Try speaking with friends, teachers, or even recording yourself. Every conversation, no matter how small, builds confidence and fluence over time. Asking questions. Curiosity is the secret to learning English fast. Never be afraid to ask questions, whether it's about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or usage. Asking questions shows you care about learning and helps you understand concepts deeply. Remember, every expert started by asking questions. Fun with idioms. English idioms make your language colorful and expressive. Phrases like break the ice, hit the books, or piece of cake might seem tricky, but learning them can make you sound more natural. Try using one idiom a day in your conversations. It's a fun and effective way to sound like a native speaker. Learning mind test. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Celebrate every small victory, like understanding a sentence, using a new word, or finishing a short story. Keep a growth mindset, practice consistently, and remember that progress comes with patience and persistence. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. The power of listening to learn. Listening is one of the most underrated ways to improve English. By paying attention to native speakers in podcasts, movies, or even songs, you naturally pick up pronunciation, expressions, and sentence flow. Make it a daily habit. Just 10 minutes a day can dramatically improve your comprehension and your confidence.